so that I sound like Kira when I sing. Like I can do the best impression. Like it's spicy. Okay. Here, wait. Let's go over here. I'm still videoing. Okay. Here I go.